How Steve Will Dot gives millions of dollars away. What's up, fellas? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you curious how Steve Will Dot gives millions of dollars away? Then you came to the right place. We are going to reveal some secrets that will definitely be going to help in answering your questions. Be sure to stick to the end of the video to not miss any of the valuable strategies. So let's start. In this world, many people have a lot of money, but you can imagine that they neither distribute a huge part of their wealth. It just flashes through your mind that how does Steve Will Dot do it? All of your confusions will end here. We are here to answer your questions, so no need to think more. Just stay with us till the end of this video. Steve Will Dot is a resident of Oviedo, Florida, USA, and he's a famous YouTuber. He does vlog on YouTube and spends his money on the people to make his videos entertaining and worth seeing. He has almost 3.21 million subscribers on YouTube channel, and there are more than 100 videos on his YouTube channel. Each video has more than 1 million views, and the like ratio is amazing, and that is the desire of every YouTuber. How Steve Will Dot started his journey on social media. In 2017, Steve Will Dot started posting his challenge videos on Instagram. He challenged the random people and offered them some reward in case of accomplishment of that challenge. This strategy got enormous fame, and he moved on to YouTube and started his own channel, where he continued this strategy of uploading videos. As he had a huge fan following on Instagram, so it grows up on YouTube in very little time. And very soon his channel got monetized on YouTube. In his videos he proposes different challenges to the random people around him, and in case of completion of that challenge, he gives them money and rewards. He was also doing the same on Instagram, but there he was earning very little, as he's earning a huge amount from YouTube. He spends a lot of money on his videos for making challenges and contests. In this way, every video showed that he spent huge dollars in his videos. This is really amazing and worth thinking about for the people and audiences who listen or watch him. The first and a very suitable question here is that from where he gets the money to spend on his videos. Your concerns really compels us to make a video on this topic to minimize your confusions and doubts, as the concern needs to end. So we worked for it and tried to make a masterpiece for you. Now we will try to answer this question in that way so that you will get a maximum answer of this question of this thinking. You will get your answer in that video if you stay with us till the last part of this video. Spending of Steve Will Dot in his videos. Now he has more than 220 million views on his YouTube channel, which means he is earning in the millions. He also got sponsorships from many firms and institutions. They also paid him to advertise their products and items in his videos. These are two major parts of his earning, and both are very vast sources of earning. As he is famous for his challenging videos, he needs to spend a lot of money on the people to make his videos charming and interesting. He had shown that he uploaded the video every Tuesday of the week. In every new video, he proposes new challenges and strategies for the people to win, and in this way, he makes his video. In his previous videos, we can see that he proposed a challenge of one day as a single mom, the attempt of drinking 12 beer bottles in 2 minutes. Those people who did it receive a huge reward from him. We try to investigate that it is real or scam. Those people who got some reward from him, as it is a very vast amount that is spent constantly on his videos. This question may arises in your mind also. So we approached many people, and all of them told us that they actually received the reward from him. There is no scam in it. In reality, he is spending on his videos. Once in his video, he gave the Tesla car to one of his fans. As all of us know, Tesla is not affordable for any ordinary person, and Steve Will Dot gave this massive car to his fans. In the reward of these videos, he earned a lot of fame and amount from the different organizations and associations. Their little advertisement may serve as sponsorship for his videos, and he spent his money on people to make a video. How famous is Steve Will Dot in spending money? On the occasions of any festival and some special day, he also spends a lot on people to amuse them by giving them unexpected gifts and prizes. Once he surprised one random person with PS5 on the occasions of Christmas, and the video got enormous fame. This is such an amazing thing that he is doing, and he's spending also a surprise for the people who think about his sources and background. 3.21 million subscribers means a lot of people, and more than 30 lakh people that are following him and constantly see him and amuse themselves by his spendings and amount that he pays in case of the reward of any challenge that he proposes. In 2021, the world has become very advanced, and in order to compete with the globe, there is a need to do something rare and strange to make some marks in a very competitive environment. In this modern era, every person is relying on digital resources, and it is necessary to opt for those resources to be able to live a successful life. There is a very famous saying, "The world is advancing, advance with it." As you know, social media platforms are overloaded with content creators, so there must be a need to do something special every time. And now it is revealed that the Steve Will Dot is doing the same and trying to make unique content by spreading his amount on the people to make unique content on YouTube. As it is widely different from the content of many other content creators, there will be a very little competition in his field. In October 2020, he met with Donald Trump and participated in the stage dance of his house at the ceremony. In this way, you can imagine the fame of Steve Will Dot, and he achieved his main aim. That by spending a lot of people on that people, he got enough fame to meet with this celebrity. Many barriers will serve as hurdles in your journey, but you are needed to achieve these barriers instead of giving up. Those people who feel hopeless in front of some barriers are really discouraging themselves. Be consistent and stick towards your directions and pass every hurdle in your way. With your positive attitude and cooperative attributes, you should stick to your goal. According to Parkinson's law, if you stick to doing something, then everything in this world will help you in achieving your goals. Consistency is a very important aspect of living a successful life. This information will serve as a guide for you if you want to change your fate. After that information, you will surely be able to select the right direction for you, which is according to your taste, and it needs minimum efforts from your side. Here we are looking for your responses. Kindly tell us your opinion about him in the comment sections below. Now you are able to get the best choice for you, which can be most suitable to you, and this will surely be such a plus point for you over those who are totally blind on this awareness. As per our information, you have got your desired information. Please subscribe, share and like our YouTube channel to get more informative videos like this. In order to get notifications of our further informative videos, press the bell icon. In this way, you will surely connect with us.